Hey guys, good morning, and once again, welcome back to live trading. And today is July 9th, and Nifty looks positive. Let's just look at Nifty. So I was just looking at Nifty, and Nifty was in, you know, overbought region, and it was time for the sellers to come, and that's the reason if you see Nifty started, when it started only, it started coming down a bit. It'll take some time to either come here and recover, or else it may get recovered from here and go up again, or else it'll be a sideways for today. So looking at the stocks, I don't know why money control is not loading properly. It says July 9th here, but over here it is showing July 2nd's data. But anyway, stocks it is showing for now. And it's better I go to NSE India. So we have 41 advances and 9 declines, something good. I'll just directly go, you can go to top 10 gainers or losers, or I'm just going to equity stock for now. It says Axis Bank, Dr. Reddy's. So I'm just putting these in my radar. Axis Bank, Dr. Reddy, what else? Henpetro, Vedanta. So these are the stocks in my radar for now. It's already in the top for now. This is just going up and up. Dr. Reddy looks strong for now. 2330 1000 into 20 times 0 by 2330 429. Going out there and buying at 429 with my favorite cover order, and this is a 23 rupees stock, so 2330, right? 2300 for now. All good, and buying it up over there. So we have taken the stock around 2332.78. Okay, 2332.78 is our buy. So 2332.78, 2332.78 into 0.3 divided by 100 is 7 rupees. Almost 7 rupees is our target. So if I add 7 rupees, then 2339.78, 2339.78, that is almost 2340 2340 rupees is our target for now. And one thing, Nifty needs to support us. Apart from that, any other stock is going. Henpetro not moving for now. Nifty, okay, Nifty is in down mode. Come on, not now. Anyways, Nifty will definitely take some time. It will go down and come up. That is when we will get support for our stock. Till then we have to wait, or else if the stock is today super power stock, then the stock will go up. For now the stock is dancing here. Nifty is still in down pressure. If you see over here, maximum it can come till this 30, and after few minutes in 30, then it will again go back, and that is when you get support for all the stocks. That's the maximum it can go for now. That is the oversold region. So let's see if they will make it oversold region. Also I see a support at 812 also. Let's see how. So anyways, once the stock goes up, I will be re-recording the video so that I can explain you accordingly. For now, I'll be going out to my gym for now. So let me get ready. If you see, the stock came up and again it's going down, and there's some system glitch. So I feel I should exit right now. It came back to 33 above a line and it's again going back down. And if you see, it is showing 69,000, right? And again it's showing some 4,000. So there is some technical glitch right now, and I'm not able to close this. So just 5 minutes back, the stock came around 333, and there's some system glitch. If you see, even the Nifty is, so it's better to exit right now rather than taking some risk. There is some system issue. So just seeing if I need to exit right now, I'll exit right now rather than making it up a big loss. So this is between our radar. Two, three, two, 4.85. Looking at the 60,000, I was fully happy that something has happened and the stock has gone up. But I realized it's a system glitch. I was fully confused what has happened when it even came to 33, our buy point. I was like, what is this? It was flickering. Now it has at least reduced. Now I think the issue is fixed. Anyways, time is 3:11. I don't think so. This stock will go up. I waited for almost whole day. If you see, the stock came up to the same line. Okay, went down. Storm came up till our buy point, and again it came down, and again it came now to the buy point, but it couldn't cross that level. Looks like it won't go up today. Nifty went up from the point we took. Nifty definitely went up. Okay, Pharma also went up and it's going sideways. Nifty overall for the day it went up like this, but maybe today luck is not working, so we are planning to book the loss. Just seeing if this can move bit so that we can avoid the loss, because there's a lot of fluctuations now. Too much of fluctuation. $227, $228. Okay, not sure if this will cross again the 230 mark. Again it will go up and it will go down. If it's going at 230, then we can now book the losses close, a little more closer. And 7 more minutes. Come on, a little bit more of strength. 2327, 2328. Come on, go up. Okay, 2329. Come on, little more up. 330. Again, it is coming into the same position. Not sure if this will stay there or it will go down again. Let's see our luck for the day. Two three two nine, 2330, and one more push. A lot of resistance out there. A lot of resistance. See, if you see a lot of resistance, we need a lot of support. Last 6 minutes left. Come on, 331. Little more push, and no. Our buy point is 332.78. Now currently 331. Again, it came back to the same position. Either book losses here, or else see if it can push little bit up above our buy point. 331. Kindly melt. 331.10, 331.8, 332.5. Closer to the buy point. Little more push. 333. Buy point. Come on. Nifty is 72. It's staying there. No effect on this stock. This is going on its own rally. It is not breaking that line. If you see our buy point line, there is no push at all. We need a good push from here. If you see 331, 332, it's stuck up there. Should keep this ready. 331.65. Little bit of push. 331.5, 332, and 4 minutes left. Come on, man. Come on, buddy. 333. No. It gives a green color over there, but when I sell it will not give that green color. I mean, because there is no strength near the buy side. If you see, they're not pushing it up. There is no constant push. That's what I meant. Okay. So at least, anyways, if it comes here, a little bit of proper push. It's not breaking the 335 line. 335. Little more of push. 4 minutes left. Come on. It's not breaking that mark. If you see, this is why I waited for the whole day, that it will break. It comes here, it stands here, and it will go down. Again, it comes here, it will stand here, it will go down. Two 2332. No more push. Last 3 minutes left. Come on. I don't think so. This is gonna push and go up a bit also from here. Is it time to exit? Last few minutes. Time to exit. Come on. Two 332 is not breaking. If you see, Lot of resistance over there, especially where we bought only has a lot of resistance. 2334 it goes, it's not breaking the 2335 and staying there. If you see, come on, push. There is no push. Last one more minute. Come on, little more push. It's dancing between our buy price itself, you see. One more push from here. Come on, you can do it. Don't think so. It's gonna push. 232.26. In the buy side, it's still in 31 side. A little more above. I think the glitch is still there. If you see, 72,000. Okay. Come on, buddy, a little more above. Please go above that mark. Towards buy side, it is not going about 32 for now. See, that is the only thing. 3320. Anyways, let me see if I can exit or else I have to wait. No. Now the order will automatically execute for whatever price they show at 321. This is little bit of hectic, guys. Whatever price is there in the market, it will get sold. So 2330.95. Come on, go top. One more minute, it will auto sell. Okay, so finally it is auto sold for 2330.97. so we bought it at 2332.77. anyways, we avoided our loss, and as it's a cover order, it's difficult to sell at the same buy point. If you sell that also, it'll sell below us. So the reason I waited for the whole day was because if you see, the stock is going towards our buy point. Again, it came up and came down. Then we waited. Our stop loss were on 2300, but it came up to 2313. Then again it came to that same buy point, and if you see, there is a lot of resistance. Almost from 20-30 minutes it's dancing in the same area, so it could not break that spot 2332, and finally we sold it at 700 rupees. So that is almost how much? 0.15% loss. So anyways, this is a very small loss for us. So for the people who have not seen my loss videos, this is one video dedicated for you guys. So today is the day which we are not lucky, even though the market went up, Nifty went up today, but our stock, even pharma also supported, but Dr. Reddy's didn't move from there. So anyways, we avoided loss. That's very important right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like such videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.